We'll do a quick review on these hiking EasyFeet cushions. I've had this pair of running shoes for 4 or 5 years. It's still in pretty good shape. I'm really not hard on my shoes, but I am hard on my insoles, so I go through several insoles a year. And this last pair I had, they're supposed to be really good, and they were okay for a few weeks, but they wore out really quick. Not much cushion through the balls of your feet. The heel was okay to start with, but if you look at these EasyFeet hike, these are the hiking ones, but I got them to try them in my running shoes. I don't really do much running, but I do a lot of walking. At work, I walk probably at least about 12 to 15,000 steps a day. So I'm on my feet a lot. And even when I'm not walking, I'm standing still. So a lot of impact on my feet. So if you look, got nice and thick through the heels and right through the balls of the feet, got good cushion on the screen pad. And already got one in here. Come in different sizes. I got medium. I wear size 9. Excuse me. I wear size 9 shoes. So if you need to trim them, I like mine to feel a little bit better, so I just took a little bit off the end. But say if you wore size 8, it has the little lines where you could trim it back a little bit more. But they slide right in really easy. And these, when I first got them, they had good cushion on them. They're really comfortable and they're light. But with these here, they're just as good as when I first got them, and these are super light. So if you're looking for some good insole, try these EasyFeet hiking. Like I said, they come in different styles and different sizes, but if you're looking for a good one, try these out. I highly recommend these if you're on your feet a lot and a lot of walking. Check them out.